So, good morning. Ito yung nabili kong DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo mula sa Shopee. So, nabili ko to at the price na 22,990, almost 23,000. So, ang nakalagay dun sa Shopee is refurbish yung item na to. Pero ang ibig sabihin daw ng refurbish is hindi lang siya nabenta sa ibang bansa, pero in-import dito sa Pilipinas as refurbished. I think para lang makamura ng taxes. Anyway, ito yung dumating yung parcel ko kanina. So nakalagay, handle with care, no video, no refund, no replacement. So we have to video the unboxing of this package or parcel. So ito na siya. Ayan. 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 Alright. So okay, so how do we open this? Ayan. Ayan. So ayan, natanggal na natin. Ayan siya. Siya. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Ayan. 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 Alright. Tapos sabi ko lang muna natin to. There. So, yan na. So, open the box. Yan. Yan. So, well packaged naman siya. So, merong wala tong laman. Bubble wrap lang siya. So, inilagay lang siya for extra protection para hindi magalaw. And, ito yung item. Well packaged naman, naka-bubble wrap siya. And there, wala nang laman. Ano yung laman ng box? Yan. Tabi lang natin to. And here. Ito yung item, so naka-bubble wrap siya. Yan. Okay, so just use the scissor. There you go. Oops. Okay. Yan. So, there. So, ito na yung package. So, it says here, DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. RB unit. I don't know what this means, pero siguro baka refurbished unit. So, ito yung box niya. Yan. Yan. Made in China. Yan. 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 So, ito yung inclusion niya. In the box, it's a DJI Pocket 2, a mini control stick. So, remember guys, this is the creator combo. So, meron additional na items na nakalagay. So, ito yung mini control stick. You have the wide angle lens. Wide angle lens. Do it all handle. The cover. Tripod mount. Smartphone adapter. Wireless microphone. Micro tripod. USB splitter charging. The smartphone adapter and wireless microphone transmitter. So, yung mga items na yan ang makikita natin kapag bubuksan natin sa loob. So, yan. Tabi lang natin to. Right. So, how do we open this one? Let's yeah. Okay. Sorry guys, kinakalawang yung ating cutter. Yan. There. Yan. DJI Pocket 2. Let's do this. Yan guys. Alright. Now. Yan. Yan yung naman niya. Bilang natin ito. Meron parang white na rubber. I think it's to for protection. I think anong laman nito? Oops, dito. So ano to? Ito yung wireless microphone. Yung parang foam niya. Buksan lang natin. Yan yung parang feather. I think this is for the microphone. Okay, tabi lang natin dyan. Ano pang nasa loob? Alright. So, we have daming pieces. Adapters. Ito yung ginagamit na adapter. I think para maikabit mo yung ikabit mo yung cellphone mo dun sa DJI Pocket. So, yan guys. Yan yung adapter niya. Merong adapter for iPhone. I think this is for iPhone. And meron ding adapter for what's this? I think this is the adapter for C-type pang Android. Yan. 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 So yan, C-type siya. Yung kanina Apple, for Apple. Balik ko lang. And this one, I think this is for the wide angle lens. Magnetic siya. So kung may idadagdag ka na lens, I think extension, pwede mong yung lens, ikabit dun sa lens ng DJI para maging wide angle yung mo. So hindi ko muna ilalabas para hindi madumihan or magasgasan. So dyan lang muna siya. And USB cable, sling, and USB cable. So dalawa to. Dalawa yung dulo niya. Kung makikita nyo. Wait lang. Tanggalin ko lang to. So, ito yung ikakabit mo. Yung isang dulo, dito sa kabila, dalawa. So, if you are going to charge the device, ito yung gagamitin mo. Pero kung mag-file transfer ka from the DJI Pocket going to your laptop, ito yung gagamitin mo, yung merong USB na sign. Yan. So, yun na yun. Wala nang laman yung ano. So ito yung tinanggal natin from the box. Tabi ko lang dito. And this one is also adapter din to. Control stick pala. So control stick to. This one. Yan. Kakabit natin mamaya. And ito mismo yung ano, body. I think this is the body ng camera itself. Medyo madikit. Ayun. Yan. Ay. So, here. Ito mismo yung camera. Yan. 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 DJI. Yung DJI. And it's in the other box. And here, yung ibang accessories niya. So, I think this is charger port niya. Kakabit dito. Sa dulo. Charger port. And other extension. DJI. Yeah. Yeah. Yan. Ito, I think is tripod mount. So, andito yung screw for tripod mount to. And ito slot for, I think, charger, USB. Ganun pala. And ano to? Ito, I think pangkabit sa tripod. May screw dito eh. So, yan. 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 So, yan yung laman nung ano. And ito, I think, manual. So, you have the DJI Creator Combo Quick Start Guide. So, yan yung illustration niya. Paano mo siya i-set up. Yan. And you have the ano to? Think warranty claim siguro to. Yan, warranty nga. Australian Consumer Law. So, I think warranty booklet to. And this one, disclaimer and safety guidelines. So, may English and mayroong Chinese. So, yun. Chinese characters. Ito German yata din to. Ayan. So I think English lang sa umpisa, disclaimer and warning. Safety guidelines, specifications. So yan. Sama niya. Ayan. And sticker, may kasamang sticker DJI. that's it. Yun yung laman nung ano. So this is the Creator Combo 2. Ito yung laman niya. So yan, Creator Combo yan. Sadly walang freebie na micro SD. So yan po. Yan yung laman. What's in the box. Ayan, so ito yung laman nung boxes natin kanina, and let's try to set up then power up the device. Buksan lang natin yung power guide, quick start guide para makita natin. So number 1 daw is to download the DJI Mimo. Meron na ako niyan. Number 2 is to press the power button for 1 second. So how do we... Ayan, so ni-remove ko na. Ayan, so it says here, focus lang natin there. I don't know if nababasa nyo, but remove before powering on. So remove daw natin before powering on. How do we remove this? Tanggalin natin yan. So tinatanggal natin yung sticker. And tanggalin din natin to. So how do you remove the sticker? Ito. Galin lang natin. Hirap na matanggal yan. 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 Tanggal ko na. And this one, tanggalin natin. So ito yung mga protective stickers niya. There, tinanggal ko na. And number 2 is 1 second. Ito pala. So ito yung power button niya pala. So mali yung pinipindot ko. So this one. O yun. So there you go. English. Connect to DJI Mimo. So I will have to connect ko lang yun sa device.